What's up, guys? My name is John. Welcome to another video. I just want to bring you a little short video today on just where we've been, what we've been doing. So for most of you, you do know, unless you've been living under a rock for the last few months, of course the world has had some issues with just containment, if you will. So we have been doing we've been following our local laws as far as just face mask and staying shelter in place and all that good stuff. And so our family is good. We're good. We are, just to give you an update for some of you that may know, and just to give you a little bit more insight on who we are as a family. But we have in the past been a foster family, and so now just in the last month or so, while we've been sheltering, we have become an official adoptive family yet again. So we are one big happy family of 8, and so we are so incredibly blessed and so thankful for those of you that have made comments regarding that and just kept us in your prayers and kept us in your thoughts. I would also just like to say that you know, starting now, you know, we have officially moved. You can tell in the background, this is a different location. I have filmed here in the past, but we weren't officially moved yet, and so with the shelter in place, we couldn't get here to work and get further along. But because of all that, we have been, you know, we actually were forced to move from our home. So with just all of that stuff, I'm no longer working at all. So yeah, so there's been a lot going on, but I just want to give you an update on where we've been and just what we've been doing. I would like to say that there are some changes coming in the future, definitely some channel perks for subscribers that may choose to use them. I do want to say thank you to our fans and our subscribers. We have reached some incredible milestones just in the last few months. We are approaching 20,000 subscribers. Woohoo! So I'm super stoked for the new subscribers out there. I do want to let you know that even though I may not always respond to your comments right away, I do read them. I get tons of comments every day, each and every day, and I do read them. It's just hard for me to respond to every single comment. If you do need to contact me, you have a serious question, something that you really want an answer to, you can send me a message, either a direct message on either my Instagram account or my Facebook page, either one. I'll put links in the description below. You can also check out backyard-eden.com. There are going to be some cool things over there in the coming weeks, in the coming months. I'm working on some different things for subscribers. And also we're going to be introducing some really cool things over there to help get more answers to you, more of a direct line, if you will. Because as you know, you get tons of comments on YouTube, and not all of them are super helpful, not all of them are serious, not all of them are even nice. So, but I do really appreciate the people that have subscribed, and I do really appreciate the people that leave comments and just support us. So thank you so much, and I want to let you know that, you know, we are back on track. We're going to be making videos. We're going to be putting videos out each and every week. I've got some really cool things planned, so I hope that if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button now, hit the bell so you get notifications when we post a new video. Check us out on Instagram, on Facebook. Drop us a like or a follow on those accounts as well. Check out the website, all of that good stuff, and please be looking forward to the next video where we do a special product review on a new LED grow light. It's a project that I've been working on for a while. I've had some sort of missteps. I filmed all the footage, got it all hooked up, and I lost the footage in a crash, a computer crash. Oh, I know, computers, right? So I've had to take it all down, refilm it. I'm so sorry, but definitely check out that video. That'll be up today as well. So thank you once again. We love you. We thank you. Have a great day.